Welcome back to the channel, and thanks for stopping by. In today's quick guide, I will show you how to delete cached data in the Cake app on your phone to help free up space and improve the app's performance. This short tutorial will guide you.
First, open the Cake app on your phone. Next, locate and click on the profile icon at the top right. Then, find the settings icon within your profile page and click on it.
After that, scroll down through the settings options until you find the section labeled Cached Data. Next, tap on the Cached Data option to open the control for managing stored temporary files. Then select Delete to remove the cached data from the application. Finally, confirm the action by tapping Delete again when the confirmation message appears on your screen. After this step, the cached files will be cleared from the Cake app. Clearing cached data is a simple way to remove temporary files and help the app run more smoothly. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.